Hello everyone, here's Tiffany from Prosub. Welcome to our channel. We are focused on sublimation products like equipment, sublimation film, sublimation blanks like a phone case, earphone case, and keycaps. Okay, today we will introduce our new products. Like this is a sublimation phone holder. You can see here is a matte glossy and see here is a high glossy. These have two surfaces for your choice. Let me show you how to use it. This is our phone case. Be careful, here is the magnet phone case. So we can put this phone holder on the back side. As you can see, we can print the same image and the phone holder and the phone case, then can make whole set the same image. Now we put the real device on the phone case to show you how it looks. See, this also can be phone stander. You can stand it on the table, watch TV shows, watch videos. Okay, if you don't want to use phone cover, you can also put this on the real device. See, this is iPhone Pro Max, F17 Pro Max. We can put it on it. Also can stand it. This can be used our 2D phone case, our coated case, and this is a real phone. Thanks for watching. If you are interested in our products, please follow us. Thanks for your supporting. Bye bye.